GSB सेवा मंडल मुंबईचे 65th गणेशोत्सव जाता आसा तुमी पुरो पळयता आसाची मिगलोटात मराठी एक्ट्रेस म्हणून सांगका मस्त फेमस बरी तेलंग हान्य आसाची हांगेला निमगोया. सो आफ्टर कमिंग हियर हाउ डिड यू फील आफ्टर सीइंग गणपति बप्पा?
I feel great. This is my second year. Me myself being a GSB, I have big regret that I can't speak Konkani. So I was just looking at you. I mean the way you're speaking Konkani, because my grandma used to talk Konkani, my relatives used to talk Konkani. So we are from Goa. So, but still, I mean being a GSB, I couldn't have been to this Ganpati. This is my second year, and my friend is also GSB. I mean all of us are GSB. So I just dragged him that he said I have also not visited. So last year I came and I just wished that I want to come, and Bappa just gave me darshan like this in 5 minutes. I was here and I could just take his blessings. And this is my second year. I dragged one more friend who have not been here. So it is extremely special for me, and you can see the happiness on my face after watching the idol and everything. So I feel very the way rich Ganpati is, I feel blessed. So I feel thank you. So can you just teach me one Konkani line which I can say?
I wish next year you'll speak fluently in Konkani.
Oh, thank you.
I wish so. 365 days from now, so you will learn Konkani. Okay. Makka Ganpati Bappa Mala Mast Mogu. Makka Ganpati Bappa Malari Mast Mogu.
Makka Ganpati Bappa Manari Mast Mogu. Makka Ganpati Bappa Manari Mast Mogu. Wow, thank you.
Thanks a lot talking to youth of GSB. Thank you so much.
Talking to you, and it was great coming here and visiting and having Bappa's blessing. Thank you so much.
येस पळयलें न्हू तुमी हे इंटरव्यू तुमकां इश्ट जाला म्हणून हांव लेखता आसता अशीच इंटरव्यूज जाता आसता कंटिन्यू करता आसताची पळयता राब्याची youth of GSB. Thank you.